Good morning, everyone.
Happy Fertilizer Friday.
So we've got some cute little planters, metal planters, moss, purses and snails, and it's Mother's Day week.
Watering cans, containers, baskets.
Lots of happy little choices.
We're ready
for
for this. Or a gift card with some Beat Your Neighbor.
Yes, absolutely.
That is always
Give
up.
moms. You have to one up your siblings. So make sure that you are in the will. This is the way to do it. All right. So we're just showing off some of these planters that that were made up and cute little things. Where do you want to start?
Well, I have a ton in the back that I was going to plant up, but here we are.
Yeah,
Okay.
we got stuff to do.
So we have a little cute owl. That's a sun.
And these are metal.
Yeah, and a lot of these, you know, sometimes when you're buying a container, it's the container that you're buying.
Right.
So,
right.
you know, don't be sticker shock on some of the prices. You're buying the container.
Yeah, and you can reuse them. So
You can. A cute little watering can here.
Mm-hmm.
The fish, like what you showed. Then we have all these cute little moss purses. You want to show those?
Yeah.
And those are going to fill out. They were just planted, but they're going to totally fill out and kind of overflow for moms.
This is cute.
They're very cute. A little tiny snail to put on a table. And there's everything from sun to shade. They're kind of mixed, all mixed of what we're doing. Limited quantities on more of the specialty ones.
Yeah.
And when you're looking at these containers, you want to make sure that if you're buying a container that is not filled, you can't overstuff them. Because if you do and they grow, they're going to choke each other out.
Yeah, they're going to fill out. You know, obviously it's early in the season, and so these are going to fill in beautifully. But yeah, you don't want to have too much stuffed in there because you're going to have a problem.
Right. So this will kind of grow up and out and be kind of out at the top of the owl.
I love the fun little metal.
You always insist we have those.
Yeah, obviously. So now this has moss rose. So this you just put moss rose in there.
Doesn't it look like coral, like under the sea?
Oh,
I know.
did not.
I plant the stuff with a vision of what I think it is, and
Yeah, you think a lot about it. This one's cute.
I love that. But that's going to be a full sun, can be on the drier side, and once that sun hits, it's going to just pop open
Easy
with color.
care for something like that. So
Yeah.
even if your mom is elderly, I mean, this is super easy. It's basically like a flowering succulent with moss roses in there.
So what do you get your mom for Mother's Day?
I can't say because my mom's
Or
probably
what
watching.
did you get your mom for Mother's Day, like past tense? Because some moms have passed away.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
you know, what was the go-to gift?
I can't say because my mom's probably watching, but it is flower care related, obviously. So she needs a new one, so that's what I'm getting her, something on that line.
There's your hint, Kate.
Yeah. So I have it. I'm not ordering now. It's already in hand
Oh, look at you getting all fancy.
for my mama. And my mom helped plant up a lot of these. This is one of her things that she can plant up planters. You did a lot of these, so it's nice to have that help from our mamas.
Yep.
Your mom cooks for us. When we're busy, your mom brings in a great big meal. I love peanut butter cookies, Alice. just saying, you know, when she brings in, she usually does like sloppy joes,
I got a
cracked
ham.
chicken, ham. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah. So she does feed us and the crew. So that's what your mama does.
Yes.
I love peanut butter cookies that you make, Alice. Just in case she's watching.
So that is kind of what our theme is for the next 2 days. We have had a lot of not shade. We've had no sun.
Yeah.
It has been shade.
We've had shade.
We've had no sun, and it's been so cold up here that our season is thrown off just a little bit.
Oh yeah.
But if I
Especially this week.
step back, can you see that sun shining on my face?
What is that?
I know.
I haven't seen that in 2 weeks.
I'm so excited.
Yeah.
But that means that we are going to be extremely busy in the next 2 days because what we normally would have had earlier in the week, well, yesterday was snowing.
Yeah, it literally was snowing in our neck of the woods. So it's like the goalpost just moves. now we are going to get hammered, for that big Mother's Day weekend, that Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We are going to be running because it's been slow all week long because it was snowing. But
So
it's
all the
funny.
beautiful hanging baskets.
I always laugh because it's usually guys coming in, and yeah, we have a
Look
lot
at
of
those.
beautiful hanging baskets.
Aren't they gorgeous?
It's a totally different crew that comes in this weekend. Like, they're getting something for mom. And if it's like right after church and they're going to mom's house, it's like this. They just come in, they grab something, and like,
It's normally whatever sits right here at the front.
yeah, I'm like, they want in and out in 5 minutes. It's hilarious. So it's a totally different crew than your normal greenhouse run of like you're helping them, putting stuff together,
It's very
and thinking
casual.
about it. Yeah, they're coming in like, no, I just need something for mom. That'll do. And so I crack up. So it's like, hey, your brother bought 2 of them. Just saying, might want to step it up. No, I don't do that.
So there's a lot of cute planters. I know I have a hedgehog back there.
Yeah, it's cute.
Turtles.
That butterfly, it's a ceramic, right?
It's
a ceramic
cement,
butterfly. Yeah, it's very cute. So we have a lot of great choices. But obviously, if you're not near to us, these are some things that make a great gift, or you might want it for yourself. I mean, how fun is some of this stuff just to have on your porch? So something to think about for this spring and summer, something that you might want to have. Did you show off that planter? This one here? That's a nice shade planter right there.
Wait.
The Homilus begonias, the upright fuchsias, this has lobelia in it. Lobelia can do good in that partial. Sometimes lobelia fizzles out in the hot sun. So this is actually a nice.
And then it has sun
container.
impatiens in the front.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Or not sun impatiens,
Just
regular
impatiens.
impatiens.
Yeah, regular impatiens. Yeah. So
Really cute little grab and go type things.
But obviously, if you want to give mom the gift of beautiful plants and flowers all season long, our Beat Your Neighbor fertilizer would be perfect. We do want to highlight one of our brand new Beat Your Neighbor fertilizer retailers, and that's the Kindred Kottage in Faulkton, South Dakota. So there's many greenhouses, floral shops, boutique stores, independent hardware stores that if you want to give a jar of fertilizer to mom for Mother's Day, makes a great gift.
Yep. And if you are shopping late, because obviously if we ship this out today, it's not going to be there for Mother's Day.
But
Go stop in and grab one from one of those retailers. You can find that on the beatyourneighbor.com. There's a retailer map that you can look at where they are near you. And yeah, great gift.
awesome. All right.
With that, you have watering, and we're going to get ready for this.
busy day. Yeah. All right. Thanks for joining us.
Bye.
Bye-bye.